Welcome to Computer Science 3B at Foothill College. This is Intermediate Object-Oriented Programming Methods in Python. My name is Eric Reed. I'm going to be your instructor this quarter, and I'm really excited about this class. We're going to study inheritance, multiple inheritance, abstract data types, abstract base classes, binary and hexadecimal number systems, custom exceptions, and so much more. And we will do all of this in the context of a quarter-long project to build an artificial neural network. You may have heard of neural networks. They're really the cutting edge of artificial intelligence right now. For example, neural networks are behind the autopilot functionality in some cars. So they need to be able to recognize the difference between a green light, yellow light, and a red light. And it turns out they're very good at this. Neural networks are good at pattern recognition, and we will demonstrate this at the end of the quarter by training our neural network to recognize the XOR function. But we'll go beyond that because neural networks are also very good at function approximation. We'll train our neural network, a very tiny thing, to learn the sine function. And with one input, one output, and 5 hidden neurodes, we'll find that it can actually learn the function pretty well. Now, I'll ask you to get familiar with the syllabus for the course, take a look at the academic integrity section, and make sure you're familiar with Foothill's academic integrity policy. Be careful not to post any of the class material online, or use any code that you haven't developed 100% on your own. Of course, you're free to get help from your classmates, STEM Center instructors, and me, but when it comes down to actually writing the program, you have to do it yourself. Also notice the participation policy, and be sure that in this first week of class, you post an introduction about yourself in the Introductions forum. I will be holding office hours both online and on campus. Take a look at the syllabus for details. And please ask questions in the forums as often as you need to. Well, why don't we get started?